Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to get your iPod Touch or iPhone to sound like a BlackBerry Storm when you use the keyboard. So you're first going to open up Cydia, then go to search, then type blackberry, and just click search. Scroll down to BlackBerry Storm, click. Once you install that, go into Winterboard, activate it. After you do that, your iPod Touch will now sound like it's a BlackBerry Storm. So if you guys can hear that, it now sounds like a BlackBerry Storm. So if you guys enjoyed the video, please comment, rate, and subscribe. See you later, guys.